Todzilla Todd Hutchings versus Lachlan Adair. The match is on once again. If you started following arm wrestling recently, you may not know that this match was supposed to happen in 2020. Welcome arm wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. So back in 2019, when Todzilla visited Australia, things were going well between these two. But after some time, things started getting heated up. Nobody knows why or who started it, but Todd started calling Lachlan a poorly trained amateur, and Lachlan said that Ryan Bowen paid Todd for the visit, and he showed up drunk every time, even during the mornings. Lachlan said that Todd Hutchings disrespected his country, Australia, his buddy Ryan, and himself too, I guess. So he challenged Todd for a super match because he wanted to put him in his place. Todd's reply was that Lachlan is doing that just for getting some attention. Then they fixed the super match in Todd's hometown, but it did not go through because Todd wanted to be paid $3,000 in advance and $2,000 when he showed up for the match, which the promoters and Ryan, who was also putting up his $2,000, did not agree to. So here we are, more than a year later, this match is finally going to happen on January 8th, 2022. About 15 months ago, when I made a video about this topic, I and many others said that this is going to be a mismatch right now. And even pros like Devon were openly saying that this is a mismatch. At that time, I said that maybe in 2 years, Lachlan could win this match because Todd is getting older and Lachlan is getting stronger every year. So here we are. This match is happening in 15-16 months from the time when it was first announced. Travis Bagent is making this match happen on January 8th in USA. So still Lachlan is the one who is coming to beat Todd on his own soil. So have I changed my opinion about it right now? To be honest, I think this match is going to be closer than a lot of people are expecting it to be. And there are a lot of people who think that there is one interesting point to be considered. Todd Hutchings is going to arm wrestle Sasho Andreev at 95 kilos weight cap in Turkey on February 12th, which is 5 weeks after his match with Lachlan. But it wouldn't be a thing of concern for anyone because Todd showed up at less than 230 pounds when he pulled Corey West. So I doubt he's interested in bulking to a 240 pounds Todd anymore. With that being said, I still favor Todd in this match, just for two reasons. One is the same as Corey West. Lachlan is strong where Todd likes you to be strong, where Todd is stronger, and he doesn't care about your strength. In a hook, I'm saying. So unless you have a top 3 hook in the world at 105 kilos, it is almost impossible to beat Todd in a hook. I believe a man with Lachlan's level of strength in any other style would have been sufficient to beat Todd. Like if Lachlan was as strong in a press or a top roll as he is in a hook, he would have beaten Todd for sure in my opinion. But not in a hook. Plus it is a 5-round super match and endurance is Todd's game. And unlike what Ryan believes, Lachlan is not fast. Because when Devon is hitting you off the go in a super match, you cannot claim to be fast. Lachlan is a little bit over 110 kilos right now, and there is no weight cap for this match. I think if Lachlan keeps training, he dominates Todd after 1 year. But in January 2022, I think Todd still got it just by a very little margin. And I wouldn't be surprised if Lockie is able to pull off the first round like Corey West did against Todd Hutchings. And to be honest, I would have liked to see Lachlan Adair versus Corey West first. It would have been an amazing match. But what Ryan Bowen said made a lot of sense to me. He said that if Lachlan is traveling abroad and he has to pay a lot for his quarantine and everything, so a match with big caliber like Todd Hutchings makes sense. Other matches wouldn't make sense because the payout would not even cover the expenses that he has to occur. So again, tell me your thoughts in the comment section who you got in this match. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.